Say hello. Taba. Lindsay, ganda. How old are you? How old are you? Lindsay, how old are you? Say 2. 2. Say cute. Who's cute? Me.
Mama.
Come here, come here. Dance? Low. How about your, Lindsay, Kimberly, what are you doing there? Say, low. Oh, big hug na, big hug. Kiss. Come. Say, come. Come on. Ganda. Taba. Cute. Say beautiful. Say beautiful. Say mommy. Go. Come on, go. Come on. Run. Come. Lindsay, come. Come on, go. Show me what you show me. There. Show me. What you want? Come on, go. Who's Taba? Taba. You. Me. Beautiful. Say beautiful. Say cute. Go there. Go. What Kimberly is doing? Say hello, Kim. Lindsay, how old are you? How old are you? Say, how old are you? What are you doing, Kim? What's that? Low. Dance low. Where's your eyes? Beautiful eyes. Your nose. Your hair. Your neck. Your hands. Where's your hands? Your hands. This. Come on. Lindsay, show me your hands. Your hands. Your ears. Your ears. Where's your teeth? Kimberly, your teeth. Where's your teeth? There. Lindsay. Show me your tongue. Where's your tongue? Your ears. Your neck. Good girl. Say good girl. Good girl. Beautiful. Give the one. You have here. You have plenty here. There. Kimberly, show me your teeth. Kim, show me your teeth. Teeth. How about your tongue? Kimberly, show me your tongue. It's okay na, baby. Enough. Kim, smile. Careful. Dance na, Lindsay. Low. Lindsay. Psst. old are you, Lindsay? Lindsay, oh, you're busy. What? How old? Show me.